extreme, derived from obsession in face, refine exquisite detail, sharpen all imperfections only for the last charm. From the outstanding design to superior quality, with the global automatic forming process of full sleeve top, full modular intelligent production, precision cutting, perfect streamline veneer. Gray dedicates itself to ensure every molding is an artwork. Natural injection combined with automatic rolling frame molding technology, perfect linear bending and excellent texture and line to turn manufacture into reality. Extraordinary texture taking the advantage of a clever board engineering design combined with penetrating color blending technique and high-quality plastic particles in the possession of the splendid colors, maximizing the durability and suitability to their fullest, inspires your total affection, leading you to the paradise of brushing. Quality cannot afford failure. Being critical of every details is the bottom line for the achievement of perfectly professional products. Cage rotation aero monitoring test ensures the absolutely flat brushing. Hand gravity can easily deal with every situation, no matter how high the strength is. High and low temperature test, as well as salt spray test, guarantee the usage even in extreme environments. For the pursuit of quality, Gray never stops in commitment. Gaining experience for 10 years of production, excel at independent development and research or production automation equipment. Gray enjoying several years of experience of development and research of brushing products. With a combination of extremely professional automation equipment, manufacturing advantages constantly improves the production system, refines manufacturing plan, and spares no effort to maximize the quantity production efficiency. With Gray brushing tool, used every 9 seconds, based on the maximized quantity production capacity, coordinated with the superior geographical conditions and strong logistics systems, Gray products are exported to the world. Extraordinary quality, efficient, and professional construction experience